This is just the beginning, so it's pretty easy. You know, it's just we'll have a chip. Oh, that poor guy though. Continue with our shenanigans. Yo, what the hell? All right, jump.
So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him.
Of course, man.
It gets bigger when I pull on it.
Jackie, the dude. Whoa, what is going on? Oh my god.
Wait, Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Bro, this guy. I don't like this guy in particular. Bro, come here. We're gonna go do some fighting now.
That look nasty. You okay?
Yeah. Bull! X, man.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself.
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to fuck you, man. Let's work something out here, okay?
ASMR?
Huh?
Bro, this looks still so nice. I mean, it looks a bit dated, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't look like cyberpunk or whatever, you know, but... You know, still doesn't look bad. It's still fun to play, that's the thing. It's really fun. Especially even more fun with random stuff happening. Pirate DVDs, bro. Give me some Blade Runner, bro. Ice cream? No, you scream if I hit you. Health Shine, Health Shrine. Drag kick, let's go. 30 Hong Kong dollars? Wait, how much is that? 3.5 euro. Oh my god, marketing, man. Marketing. Capitalism destroys everyone. Pork bun. Pork bun. A man who never eats pork bun is never a whole man. I don't know why I did that. I just wanted to do that. Pants? Bro, these look so ugly. I hate tank tops. Let's just get the t-shirt. Oh, another cutscene.
You want to tell her what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
What are you keeping an eye on, huh?
I tell you what I didn't.
Can you do me a favor?
I guess? Yeah, let's go.
Hey, want to listen to some tunes?
We chase. Whoa. Come here, Ming. Come here, Ming. There's an ass whooping to me made. By the way. Oh, damn it. Get out of here. Oh, sorry. Thought you were a bad guy. I thought you were Billie Eilish. Get trashed, bro. Sweet dreams. Okay, that was kind of easy.
Dog guy's gonna kill you. Fuck dog guys.
Oh, yeah?
Winston owns this area. You fuck with us and you'll regret it. Okay. But please, make sure dog guys doesn't kill me.
Take it, boy!
I swear I didn't commit 10 crimes. I didn't just commit mass murder. I swear.
I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Oh, Superintendent. I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding?
Sir.
Oh,
As your
God.
superior officer, I'm instructing
my
you
God.
to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Yi.
Pendrew,
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
trust her?
Oh my god. Oh boy. Sorry. We're gonna wreck these guys, bro. Bro, can I do it? Bro. Wait. Let's try it. Oh, damn it. I missed. Oh, destroyed. No! Damn it. You're there to stay, bro. Crowbar. Half-life. Let's go. Oh, back in the pile you go. What can I do?
Shit, you're taking off the goods.
Take it, boy!
That's one hit.
Fisting is 300 bucks.
I don't know what that dance was about, but... Bro, that mold is good. Hey? Hey, listen. Hey, listen.
What's up? Hey!
Sounds good, bro. Alright, time to go to... there. Dude looks so goofy. I need to go to the restroom.
Oh, my shoulder!
My man, Wei! I appreciate it, Winston.
What's going on?
We're going on offense.
Store's closed, bro.
What you say?
We have another
What?
guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too.
Fisting is 300 bucks.
Hey you want this route? You gotta pay for it. Are you stoned?
No.
I think we can do it. Ooh. Yo, maybe. What do you mean, bro? I'm absolutely legit driver, bro. What's wrong? I don't get it, bro. Bro, look at that sideways, bro. What the hell is that guy doing? The police, bro. Gotta do undercover. Damn, bro.
Another victim.
That's the mission, right? Right? I think so.
Whoa.
Boom.
What are you doing here?
What are
I'm sure
you
you and
doing?
Penju have a lot of backdoor business to attend to.
Meet me at the market noodle shop. Whoop. Stop. We don't need to run the whole way now. Wait, Shen.
As you connect, make sure everything's cool.
Everything's cooler than a fridge. Mr. Straw Hat wants a word with you.
Popstar was asking.
Joe Mama.
Bro, that lip sync. Why do people just don't pay their debts?
It's the cops. Stay cool.
I'm always cool.
What you say?
Get back. The bangers. Ooh, we're leveling him up. Yep. Sorry. Does it change anything? Okay, now we have to go back. Let's do the bust.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
I don't know. Seems like that guy. Let's try that guy.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We got him. Oh. Okay. That's kind of convenient for us.
Excuse me, do you
Sure.
speak English? Wait, what do you mean?
Oh, no.
Yeah, I speak.
I kinda guessed. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for this
Boss in this gym.
supposed to be a
Dungeon Master.
school, but I'm totally lost. I have no sense of direction.
Yeah, I think I know where it is. I mean, it's not too far.
My name's Way, by the way. Or
Yeah, of course I do.
I just finished college and I'm doing a bit of traveling. What are you doing?
Bro, I'm just casually driving.
Please don't do that. Well, I've only. Can you drive a little less like you're trying to kill us? Wow, this is a pretty cool place for
Dungeon Master.
a school.
Unfortunately, the school isn't in the temple.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
A few moments later.
Yeah, bro.
Boy next door.
Good night.
Fuck you.
Yeah, I'd like to sign up for some
Dungeon Master.
classes. I read about your school in my college book.
Got me mad now.
Wait. I know you. Yes, Sifuqua.
You know me?
I used to be your
Slay?
Yes. The one who went to America.
The other night, one of the boys was sleeping, and I reached down and played with his dick.
Very good.
Very
Now
good.
time to assess your skill level in Kung Fu.
Wait, there's I think a fun vehicle thing. Wait, there you go. All right, let's try it. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh. Oh my god.
Please subscribe Utibia Man.